I want to show you how I make viral Facebook and Instagram posts in seconds using Freedom Threads AI. Now here's one example right here. This is a simple text thread on my Facebook personal account, and as you can see, over 364 comments. And this was created in seconds using Freedom Threads AI. As you can see, I've been using this every single day to create posts on Facebook to get leads, traffic, and sales to all of my products. And you can even use Freedom Threads on Instagram. Here's an example of these images that Freedom Threads created. As you can see, it has the post here, but then it has all the info and all the value, all created within seconds using Freedom Threads. And here's my favorite part. As you can see on my personal Facebook profile, over 28 million views from May to November, posting these thread type posts on Facebook and Instagram. And here's the cool part. Facebook will even pay you to post. As you can see, over $700 just from posting on Facebook. But of course, I don't care about the monetization of posting. More importantly, because of these posts, you can see in the last 6 months, over $261,000 from this one account. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Freedom Threads to get viral traffic for whatever offer that you have. Let's get into it. All right, so if you haven't heard of Freedom Threads, you can go to freedomthreads.ai and you could start with a free trial. Now, once you have access to this, you'll get access to the main Freedom Threads program here. Now, there's a bunch of add-ons that you can get as well, but Freedom Threads, the main dashboard, this is where you want to be to create these viral post. Now I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and this will work for any niche or any offer. Now I want you to do me a favor. I would love to create a demo viral post for your offer. So in the comments below, let me know what you're offering, whatever program it is. That way I can use Freedom Threads to create a viral post for you. Go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll go ahead and create a video for your offer showing you how to get viral traffic. All right, so in this dashboard here, there's a few options. Okay, we have the CTA driven. This is basically creating a post to get people to your offers. Now we have some other cool ones here like YouTube, which I'll show you how to use as well. But we're gonna use the main one here, CTA driven. Now I'm gonna use one of my main programs here. It's called AI Launchpad. Basically, it's a course that teaches people how to use AI to launch a software from scratch, okay? So you basically put your offer name. It can be whatever offer that you want, even if you're a chiropractor, if you sell coaching, if you do affiliate marketing, whatever it is that you're trying to sell. Now, here's the thing that you want to do next. You want to put the offer URL. So one of the easiest things you could do is literally just paste the link to your offer. Now, the website needs to have enough information. That way, Freedom Threads knows exactly what you're selling. So here's my page right here. It's a long form copy that explains what the offer is. Okay, so that's the main thing. If you don't have a long page offer, then the AI is really not going to know what it is that you're selling. Now, if for some reason your page doesn't have a lot of information about what your offer is, then make sure to put it in the offer description. This is really important because it needs to know exactly what you're trying to sell. Okay. Now, the next part here is target audience. Okay. So who are you trying to target? Okay, so for this particular program here, I'm trying to help people that are looking to create software. They're complete beginners. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the target audience. So I was very specific with mine. I put opportunity seekers who are looking for an unfair advantage when it comes to AI. And then I put a lot of them are still working a 9-to-5 job. Okay, so that's who I'm trying to target with this specific offer. Okay, the next thing is the post type. Do we want to be controversial? Do we want personal stories? Do we want productivity hacks? Automation? Like, what do we want the post to be about? Okay, I always like to do controversial. That usually helps with my post on Facebook. Okay, next thing here is I want to put my social media handle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Instagram and I'm going to copy that social handle here. Okay, so it's going to go right here. You're going to see why we're doing this because it's going to create the images for us. Okay, so then next I'm going to put the profile photo. I'm just going to choose this one for now. Then the post language, we have all sorts of different languages in here. I'm going to go ahead and pick English and generate post. And then you give it a few seconds and it generates a viral post. And there we go. Now we have a post ready to copy and paste into Facebook. Now check this out. All I have to do is copy this main post right here. I'm then going to go to my personal Facebook, and I'm then going to copy and paste. Now, the biggest thing here is you want to choose a colored background, typically purple, red, black, any of those work. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to post this. And then what I'm going to do is add the comments next. Okay. So this is kind of the way that we're going viral every single day. Okay. So I went ahead and posted it right here. And what I want to do next is add the comments. So I'm going to go back to Freedom Threads, and I could simply just copy these here. Okay. Now, the cool thing that you're going to notice with the way these posts are created is it's going to scan your URL. It's going to scan your offer. And then what it's going to do is it's going to give people value. But after it gives people value, it then says to comment down below to get access to the actual offer. Okay. So basically what we're going to do now is just simply copy and paste. Okay. So as you can see, these are all created. That way, every single post that you create are supposed to go viral, okay? Or at least get a lot more traffic than usual, okay? So that's basically what you do next is this, you simply copy and paste, okay? Now, here's the cool thing. The last comment always goes to the URL or the program that you are selling. So for example, I've already put all 8 comments here. And then what I'm gonna do is paste that last one. And as you can see, it already has the link that's going to go back to the program that I'm actually promoting. Okay. Super cool here. And then here's the best part about this. I can actually scroll down, and as you can see, there's an authority post image generator. So I'm going to hit generate post. And as you can see, now I have the exact same post, but in the images, okay? And the cool thing about this is I can go and edit this. If for some reason I don't like the layout, I can hit edit here, and I can go ahead and just change this up however I want. You know, I can add spaces and then save and regenerate. And then that's gonna go ahead and change the photo as you can see, okay? And then what I can do now is do the exact same thing, okay? So now I can also post this on Instagram as well as Facebook, okay? So you can see right here, I did the exact same thing right here with the images, okay? And I just do the same thing. I post the image, and then inside of the comments, I have all of the images. And as you can see, people will start to comment. You'll start to get more views, more followers, and more importantly, more leads and more sales. Now, this is the CTA driven viral post. I also like using the YouTube version. This is actually one of my favorite things to use, okay? So it does the same thing, but what it does is it takes the video from YouTube, whatever video that you give it, and then what it's gonna do is it's gonna give you the information from that YouTube video, but still bridge it to your offer. Let me show you. All right, so I'm on my YouTube channel, Jonathan Montoya. I'm going to scroll down and just pick a random video. I'm going to use this Alex Hormozi video. I did an interview with Alex Hormozi. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for Freedom Threads. Again, everything's going to stay the same, but the only thing that's different is I'm pasting the YouTube URL, okay? Everything else will stay the same. And I'm going to go ahead and generate posts. Now, what Freedom Threads is going to do now is it's going to actually watch the video. It's going to take that transcript, and it's going to create a viral post for you based on that video, but then it's going to bridge to whatever offer that you have that you're promoting. So this helps you become an authority. It gives people value, but then it still bridges to whatever offer that you have. And as you can see right here, 9 savage steps from Alex Hormozi's $105 million book launch. And then here are all the comments, as you can see right here. So this is a post that I can then post here in the next 30 minutes or the next hour. And your goal now is to post as many times as humanly possible. Like if you really want to grow on Facebook, you want to be posting 10, 15, 20 times a day. And that's what our students are doing using Freedom Threads. Because now you don't have to think about what type of post to create. You can use this viral software to create it for you, and then you just have to be very consistent in posting on Facebook. Now, I'm going to leave a link to Freedom Threads down below. It's going to be the first link in the description below. You can also go to freedomthreads.ai and start for free. You can start using it, and I promise you it's going to change the way you go viral on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, X, all of the social medias. This doesn't just work for Facebook or Instagram. It works for every social media out there. So I hope this video was of value. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.